We all have been using or testing different third-party themes on our Miui devices, using Mi Theme Editor app, as importing and applying any third-party themes from the Themes app directly failed to work. But now, after updating your device to Miui 9.5 version, importing and applying any third-party themes using Mi Theme Editor app doesn't work anymore. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install any third-party themes on Redmi Note 3 and Redmi Note 4. Note that this method is only for Redmi Note 3 and Redmi Note 4 devices. Also, you need to have any custom recovery like TWRP installed on your device. Or you can also use temporary TWRP recovery, in case you have that for your device. Here my device is Redmi Note 3, and I am using temporary TWRP recovery. Now, as per your device, download the required file from the link given in the description below. Then transfer the file to your device. Since I am using temporary TWRP recovery, I am copying the file to my SD card instead of my internal storage, as temporary TWRP recovery fails to read internal storage. Once the transfer is completed, boot your device into TWRP recovery. Then click on Install, select storage where you have copied the file. Then search for the file and select it. Once selected, simply swipe to confirm flash. Once the process is completed, simply reboot your device and that's it. Now to check, open the Themes app and select the theme you have installed using Mi Theme Editor app. And then, click on Apply, and there you have it. Note that, using this method, you can import any third-party themes directly from the Themes app. And so there is no need of Mi Theme Editor app to install these third-party themes. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.